Hello, Twizzlers and percentages. How many of you like Twizzlers? Twizzlers percentages book. This really happened, but no one believes me. On the day our class was going to learn percentages, I noticed a lot of candy on my teacher's desk. I wondered what percentage each of us would get. Then a mini spaceship started talking. Earthlings, we have come to visit your planet. If you give us Twizzlers, twists, we will teach you about percentages. These three equal numbers identify parts of a whole amount. And here are some math symbols to help you figure out percentages. This is a division sign. It is used to divide numbers. A fraction is a numerator divided by a denominator. The line between a numerator and denominator is called a fraction bar and is also considered a division sign. This is a decimal point. It is used to separate the whole numbers from the decimals. This is a percentage symbol. It is used to show that a number is a percentage of something. We use percentages in everyday life. This is an equal sign. It is used to solve that two or more numbers are equal in value. This is a multiplication sign or a times sign. Multiplication is important. To change a decimal to a percentage, you multiply by 100. These candies are called Twizzlers. Strawberry twist or licorice twist. These are mini spaceships. Do not be afraid. We are here to help you. 100ths equals 1.0 equals 100%. On this page, whoa, and the next page are 100 Twizzlers twists. Percent means per 100. 100% is the whole group. Each Twizzlers twist is equal to 1% of this group of 100. The fraction, the decimal, and the percentage shown above are equivalent ways of showing the same value. Okay. There are hundreds of different alphabets in the galaxy, but almost everyone uses the same number system. You can write any number with the symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. After 9 comes 10, which is really one group of 10 and 0 ones. It is a base 10 system. Aliens from other planets probably use the same base 10 system. It is important to learn place value. Here's a number we picked at random, 23.86. This number has 2 tens, 3 ones, a decimal point, 8 tenths, and 6 hundredths. The position or place of a number in relation to the decimal point determines its place value. There's a decimal point and then the decimal. Wow, here's a big number. 1,864,527.309. Earthlings, notice the difference on these two pages. There are still 100 Twizzlers twists, but only 90 of them are strawberry flavored. 10 are licorice flavored. The 90 red ones represent 90%. The 10 black ones represent 10%. 10 100ths and 0.1 are also correct ways to show the amount of licorice. Okay, you get the idea? Do you see any patterns? Earthlings, here is how to figure out a percentage. Divide the top number of a fraction, the numerator, by the bottom number, the denominator. This will give you a decimal. Move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Drop the decimal point and add a percent sign. Try a difficult one. Don't forget to show your work. You do not need a group of 100 to do percentages. Here are 10 Twizzler twists. In this group, each twist is equal to 10% of the total amount. 10% are licorice flavored and 90% are strawberry flavored. Here's another group of 10 Twizzler twists. Flavors and colors can change, but the math stays the same. Each piece is equal to 10%. 80% are black and 20% are red. Woo! Have you heard someone say, let's split it 50-50? It means each of you gets 50%. It also means each of you gets 1/2. How about 50 licorice twists for you earthlings and 50 strawberry for us? We love red ones. 50-50, 1/2 and 1/2. Think of other ways to divide this group 50-50. If there are only 2 Twizzler twists, each twist is 50% of the total amount on this page. You can always figure out 50-50 by dividing by 2. What is your favorite flavor? 1/1 equals 1.0 equals 100%. Zap! Here is one Twizzler's twist. It is 100% of all the candy on this page. You would have to bite the twist to get a smaller percentage than 100%. Maybe a laser will help. Oh boy. I'm glad we are learning percentages. Yesterday while walking to school, some of my classmates found $10,000 on the street. Wow! The police said our class could keep 8% of the money as a reward. 10,000 times 0.08 equals $800. 8 cents out of every dollar. The principal of our school hoped we would keep 9%. 10,000 times 0.09 equals $900. 9 cents per dollar. The insurance company approved a payment to our class for 10%. 10,000 times 0.1 equals $1,000. 10 cents per dollar. The judge at the local courthouse ruled we could keep 12%. $10,000 times 0.12 equals $1,200. 12 cents per dollar. But luckily, the owners of the money came forward. They thanked our class and we were rewarded with 15%. Yay! $10,000 times 0.15 equals $1,500. 15 cents per dollar. In this group of 50, each twist is equal to 2% of the total. 98% are black and 2% are red. Watch out for meteors and asteroids. In another area, there are 25 twists. 24 are strawberry flavored and 1 is licorice flavored. What percent of the total is each piece of candy? Think about it and do the math. If there are 20 Twizzler twists, each one is 5% of the total. 2 would be 10%, 3 would be 15%. You can add them if you want to. All of them added together equal 100%, but you know that. Here we have 5 twists. Each twist is equal to 20%. To change a percent to a fraction, drop the percent sign and divide by 100. Oops, we are back to a decimal. 0.325. A famous earthling finished the baseball season with a batting average of .325. A batting average is a percentage. It is calculated by dividing the number of hits by the number of at-bats. Hits divided by at-bats equals the average. 130 divided by 400 equals .325. The SLG, or slugging percentage, is calculated by adding singles as 1s, doubles as 2s, triples as 3s, and home runs as 4s. This number is divided by the total number of at-bats. The OBP, or on-base percentage, is calculated by adding walks plus hits divided by walks plus at-bats. When watching or playing baseball, you are doing math. Hey, no fighting. We have math to teach. Please behave yourselves. You other aliens, terminate those lasers. Not all decimals are easy to understand. Here are 3 Twizzler twists. Each one is equal to 33.3333333333, and it keeps going on forever. It is enough to drive you nuts. Earthlings, there are 9 planets in your solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. The red strawberry one is our favorite. Do you know how many planets in your solar system have life? We are not sure either, but the answer may be 1/9. 1/9 is equal to 11.1% rounded off. We would teach you about rounding off non-terminating decimals, but it is time for us to go. There are 25 kids in my class. Now that we all know percentages, we can do the math. We each get 8 Twizzlers twists, 4% of the total. 25% of the 8 are licorice. 75% are strawberry. That's it. 2 licorice and 6 strawberry each. That's a ratio of 2 to 6. Our teacher says we will learn about ratios next week. Mini spaceships, please come back. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.